But you can have one homeopathic remedy that's very effective, and you can have exactly the same name that does nothing. Why would that be?
So I suppose firstly the source would be important, and then the rest of the materials that are used and the conditions under which it's made. And I think all of these practices and principles and good manufacturing practices would come into play at that point. And then yes, I do think that it can have a difference how the remedy is produced. You know, if it is man-made or if it's made by a machine. You know, sometimes remedies are made by filling a vial and then shaking it and then emptying a vial and then filling a vial again. You know, there's different methods that can be used. But I think always with homeopathy, if we're ever unsure, we go back to the organon, which is what Hahnemann wrote. It's a book detailing exactly his findings and how he developed the system of medicine, and we can always go back to that as a reference to see what we need to do and the manner in which it needs to be done.